All right, we're back with more DiSco MIMO, very close to the end now. Let's get right back into it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Welcome. We did plotting last time. We finished the plots. We finished the code. I'm not going to touch the code unless it is to refine the plots, okay? We're going to write the paper now. Well, one more difference. I want to make a diagram for the paper. And then we're going to start writing, okay? So, like I said, I usually like to have all the figures ready. And I just write around them and write the methodology. So we'll do all that. And this is the template, right? I think it's also a good time to say what this is. So it's a conference, ACM REP. It's a small conference focused on reproducibility and replicability, which, you know, spanning traditional blah blah computing applications in sciences. The conference values submissions that demonstrate reproducible experimental results where full reproduction is not achieved. Detailed documentation of the reproducibility experience is equally valuable. So this sounds suspiciously like the whole DiSco MIMO series, which is really good timing, right? So experiment portability, software packaging, there we go. We're going to talk about UV, approximate reproducibility, data versioning, we had a lot of trouble, automated experiment execution, we did that too, computational infrastructure, reproducibility experiences, sharing and consuming, hackathons, campaigns, broader. We did a lot of stuff that's relevant. So we're just going to write the short 4-page paper. Okay, so this is the template. And we already have 2 figures. So what I'd like to do now is I'd like to do what they call the teaser figure in this template. And then we're just going to start writing it. Okay, so now the teaser figure is this. But we don't have it. It's gonna be like a big front page figure, okay? So we need this. So let's draw something in Excalidraw actually, because we've been drawing it. Oh, I can actually close the code for now. So let's draw a teaser figure. What I'd like this to show, so what do we want to convey to a reviewer? How do you convince a reviewer instantly? Well, I like to have on the left side the old code and its messy dependencies and hard codes, and on the right side the new refactored code. Okay, so on the right side we'll have loose scripts. What did we have, right? Which we can maybe, how should we mark this? Let me think a bit. Design is very important here, right? So we had a train underscore score.py. Train.py. So we didn't have Python modules, right? So let's call this non-modular. Okay, so we had something non-modular. That's one negative we had. We also had a requirements.txt. Linux only. What else do we have that was bad? External repo hard copy, which was really bad because we ended up hard copying that NCSN v2 repo, right? Hard coded values and no CLI, so no command line interface to change them. What's another negative that we had? I feel like these should be swapped. Hard-coded configs without CLI. So no CLI, no command line interface, loose scripts. And paths. What's another negative that we fixed? Oh yeah. MATLAB dependency. So this is another big fix, right? I think this is enough for what we fixed, okay? So how does the new world look like now? The new world looks completely different, all right? It has a PyProject TOML, pre-commit hooks, and Python module, and it has rain sub module, sampling submodule, plot submodule, or we can put etc. here. Dot dot dot. Okay, but this is a dependency group, very important, right? So this will be send to back. No. Bring forward. Oh, come on. Oh, I lost this thing now. PyTorch dependency group. Okay. And the other one is Siona module, data generation module, and this one has, let's see, let me pull this bring to front. Siona dependency group, which is a different story. Okay, this is starting to Python package plus build system. So what else did we do? What else did we work on? Plotting utilities. Oh yeah. And omega conf plus hydra CLI. And strongly typed Python code. And I think this is it. So this is the message we want to convey, right? That we went from something like this to this, okay? So then maybe we can, let's see, we can maybe split this into something like this, because we need this figure to be a bit wider. And we need a big ass arrow here. Okay, we need this vertically centered. Modernization and modernization. Okay, this looks pretty good, I gotta tell you. So now we need to fiddle with the colors a bit. All right, so we have this thing now, which has PyTorch dependency group. Which has a different Siona dependency group. What color shall we choose here? Okay, I've done worse figures in my life. So oh, and last but not least, YouTube series. So this is our little shout out Well, actually, let's do it a super big shout out. How about we do have it wrap everything? So we send to back. Not the worst I've done, not the worst work I've done. Okay. Okay, need a bit more vertical center here. Should look good. And we need a master shape here too. Legacy code plus and paper. Previous paper. And we want this to go send to back. We also need some vertical centering here. Modernize. Reproduce. Not quite. All right, so now what we need is, what I think I messed up is that I should have, can I just nuke the fonts? Not really. Let's see how this looks like if I export it. So I do export image. What do I need to do here? Yes, this looks okay. I'm missing a bit of vertical centering, it seems. Okay, so this is a nice hint that I should go a bit higher. Okay. Pretty good. Only selected, yes. Sure. Scale 3x. SVG. Interesting. Let's see what happens if I do SVG. Teaser. Is it saved? I guess. Upload. It is. Okay, so can I call it teaser? Figures teaser, let's see. Come on, work. Oh, what? Recompile from scratch. Well, the teaser doesn't, the SVG doesn't work. I'm just gonna do PNG then. Teaser, which is kind of a shame. It's kind of a shame. Teaser, PNG. Okay, it is large. Let's see. 3.6 megabytes. Wow, okay, so it is high resolution. Teaser, PNG. I hope this works. It does. Okay, looking pretty good, right? Wow. Yeah, I think this is it. We'll go with this for now. So we have all the 3 papers that I want. Okay, there's only 4 pages in the paper, so we basically took like 3/4 of a page with figures, which is good because we're gonna need. Let me delete some of these tables here. Actually, let me comment this, I guess. Use table. I don't think we need tables, although they may prove useful. Okay. Math equations, a bunch of shit. Let me see how this looks like in PDF. Okay, it looks better when I download PDF. I wish we could have done this so it's nicely rendered, but it's okay for now. Width, text width, all right. Yeah. All right. This is it. So we gotta write the paper. There's no more dancing around it now. We have 3 figures. We're gonna have to live with the results. We gotta write the paper in like 4 hours. That seems doable. All right. So we'll do that next time. Thanks for watching, or oh, actually you can't see here, but here we go. So paper looks good. Okay, I'm gonna have to move myself next time, but next episode we're writing, and that's it. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, following, sticking around. See you next time.